Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix high CPU usage in Google Chrome step by step in 2026. If Chrome is consuming too much CPU, your computer might slow down, fans may run loudly, and browsing can feel sluggish. But don't worry, there are several effective ways to reduce CPU usage and improve performance. Let's start. First, open Chrome and check which tabs and extensions are using the most CPU. Press Shift plus Escape to open Chrome's Task Manager. Here, you can see every tab, extension, and process with its CPU usage. If any unnecessary tabs or heavy extensions are consuming too much CPU, select them and click End Process. Next, manage your tabs efficiently. Too many open tabs, especially ones with videos, animations, or heavy websites, can overload your CPU. Close tabs you don't need or use a tab manager extension to suspend inactive tabs automatically. Now, check your extensions. Click the three dots, go to More Tools, Greater Than Extensions, and disable or remove extensions you rarely use. Some extensions run continuously in the background and significantly increase CPU usage. Another important step is to clear your cache. Go to Settings, greater than Privacy and Security, greater than Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time and clear cached images, cookies, and site data. Corrupted cache can cause excessive CPU load. Next, update Chrome. Click the three dots, go to Help greater than About Google Chrome, and let Chrome update automatically. The latest version usually contains performance optimizations that reduce CPU usage. If CPU usage is still high, disable hardware acceleration, go to Settings greater than System, toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available, and restart Chrome. This can prevent Chrome from overloading your processor. For advanced users, consider enabling Chrome's experimental tab freezing features. Type Chrome://flags in the address bar, search for tab freeze or back forward cache, enable it, and restart Chrome. This helps reduce CPU usage for background tabs. Finally, if all else fails, reinstall Chrome. Uninstall it completely, restart your computer, and download the latest version from the official Google website. A fresh installation often fixes hidden issues causing high CPU usage. And that's how you fix Google Chrome high CPU usage step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.